Technology changes people's lives. Type of invention: how people traveled, how people lived, how people worked. We're going to be looking at different inventions and how they changed people's lives. So the type of invention was how people traveled: the automobile or a car, plane, subway. Technology and inventions that changed how people lived: the light bulb, telephone, Kodak camera. Technology that changed the way that people worked: skyscraper, elevator, typewriter. Inventions made life easier. People could travel faster. Light bulbs made rooms brighter. The telephone let people talk to friends. The Kodak camera let ordinary people take pictures. Skyscrapers let more people work in one place. Elevators were easier to use than stairs. Typewriters made writing faster. Point to an invention. Tell how it changed people's lives. Point to the airplane. Tell how it changed people's lives. The typewriter was invented in 1873. The telephone was invented in 1876. The electric light bulb was invented in 1880. The camera was invented in 1888. The Ford assembly line that made cars was invented in 1913. Businesses grew bigger. More people worked. More factories meant that different things could be made. More things meant that more things could be traded. Trade became important to the economy of the United States. People started to live better. They had more money because of things they traded. Point to the timeline.